Service and Repair Center. The problem what we have is iPhone 7 red edition. The home button is damaged and the customer has reset the phone. Now the phone is asked to press the home button to continue, but honestly we cannot do it, and you cannot touch anything, go forward. You need to press the home button to able to continue. What you all need to do, you need to run your iTunes, be sure you got the latest update, connect it to your phone with a USB cable to the computer, and run the iTunes, and go to your phone, scroll down, go to the configuration assembly, I don't know what, so sorry about that. So click in that one, go to the voiceover, select the voiceover, click OK, and ask you you want to continue. Yes, press continue. So
voiceover on.
Go back to your phone and you can see is the voiceover is on. You stay here and say press the home to open, tap it. You see, there you go.
Quick start.
It's done.
Heading.
Honestly, you are in the menu that you are able to forward and go ahead for it and finish it and turn on the screen home button. So let's go back to the computer. Just be sure you not close the stay on. It's not go to a standby mode.
If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS
Go back
11,
there
bring it nearby to
and
sign in
again
automatically.
configuration, leave it on nitro
If you
on
want.
OK, and now it's voiceover off. Now carry on to set up your phone. There you go. Next, sorry I cannot see. Next, Touch ID is not going to work because no home button in there, and just set up later. Passcode, don't use it, customer can do it later on. Just this turn. So it's set up as new iPhone, don't have one, set up later, don't use it. It still is turning on the top there. Agree, continue, set up later, send it to Apple, get it started, next, choose next, get it. So now it's coming that screen because you don't have a home button, but you need to use the home button. Go to the settings, scroll down, go to the general, scroll down, go to assembly, scroll down and go to assistive touch and turn it on. There you go, you got the home button there now. Alright, now we're going to disconnect it just to show you. There you go, that is the work like a home button. Go there, and as you see, home button, that one. Alright, I hope that video has helped you out. If you got have any question, drop me a comment. I'll try my best to help you. And please, if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel. That will keep me carry on YouTube. Thank you for watching Unique Service and Repair Center.